Start letting them in.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Ms. Harris. Was that you?
Morning.
Was that you at the door, Ms. Harris?
Today, no.
Oh, somebody else. Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you in the
I'm on
order
here
that
right now.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a tratar de llamar a los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También voy a llamar a los casos en el orden que se han presentado hoy.
Okay.
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 All right, Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Mr. Perez.
Yes.
Meja, are you driving, sir?
Señor Pérez, ¿usted está manejando, señor?
No, es que vine al trabajo y estoy adentro del carro.
No, it's just that I came to work and I'm sitting inside the car now.
Okay, very well. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Brian Oswaldo Gomez Perez. He does not need an interpreter. Case number SP 1933129. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gomez Perez.
Brian Osvaldo Games Perez.
Good morning to you, sir. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Perez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Janet Villanueva. Case number SP 193-25461. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Villanueva. Please state your name for the record.
Yes, Janet Villanueva.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. At this time, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Ms. Villanueva, with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Can I get that file, please? Miss Davis, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Gerald Harris today. Doesn't look like he's here just yet.
I see him on the calendar on the sheet, but I just don't see him on the docket. on my docket. Maybe I have something that's been printed out
What's the name?
today. Gerald Harris. 8-0. Oh, you're supposed to be in Miss Youngblood's.
Oh, okay, okay. Sorry. All right, have a great day, Your Honor.
Has the same numbers as mine, it's just different orientation.
Okay,
All right.
thank
All right.
you. Everybody.
Y ya tu está a la derecha.
Can we text Ms. Horn, tell her we need her and
You can tell him that ticket is not in the system. There's nothing under his name. You may want to check downstairs on the first floor and talk with them. There might have been an error with the
Okay.
ticket. It might not have been entered yet, depending on when he received it, but it's not in the system.
okay, no problem, no problem.
Thank you. And I got this one.
Ahí está.
Text Ms. Horn.
I did. I just
Thank
did. Yep.
Is that Mr. Phillips? Good morning, Mr. Phillips.
Morning, man.
Mr. Phillips, we have Mr. Luna here. He indicates that he's made significant progress on his community service.
Yes, he has. I mean, he's like about 30 hours short.
That's exactly what he says. So, Mr. Luna, we
Yes.
definitely appreciate all the work you've done in the community. That's part of this, mainly a part of the program here, is if you offend in the community, you rebuild your community by putting back into it. And 100 hours is a significant amount. It's probably a lot less than some other judges would do, but I feel that it's fair in the sense that I like to make sure that I equate the community service to $20 an hour instead of maybe the $10 an hour that the standard is for most judges, because I feel $20 an hour is at least a livable wage, a starting livable wage. So that's why I do it that way. But I still say 300 hours is a lot of community service hours, and your community is better off for it. And I hope that it's made you a better individual as well.
Yes, it has.
All right, so we'll see you back. I don't know your date, but just come on back when you're completed, we can get things closed out.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning.
Randall's iPhone.
Yes, good morning. Oh, I have to correct. Good morning, Your Honor.
Sure, good morning to you.
Do you have a Cecil lot on your calendar today, or is it tomorrow?
Probably tomorrow. I'm gonna look it up to make sure. It's not on there today.
Okay, then, all right.
Tomorrow, 8:30.
Have a good day. It's a pleasure, sir.
Have a better one. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Janet Villanueva. Ms. Villanueva, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, she was able to present valid documentation. The recommendation is a dismissal.
Very good. Ms. Villanueva, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. You have a great one. Appreciate it.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Orfa Esteban Lopez, case number SP 193-46821. For the record, please.
El llamado el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Orfa Esteban López, número de caso SP 1934-6821. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sí, yo soy Orfa Adalis Esteban López.
Yes, I am Orfa Adalis Esteban López.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Esteban Lopez.
Y Cherica Harris representando a la señora Esteban López.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Esteban Lopez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
El señor Esteban López, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Ahora la vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris. Ella va a tratar de conseguirle una oferta de resolución, pero tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución que le propone la fiscalía, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de llevar el caso a un juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación donde dice join o unirse.
Good morning on the telephone at 248-497-0934. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Jose Garcia Rodriguez.
Buenos dias.
Buenos días.
Jose Armando Garcia, Jose Armando Rodriguez.
No. Jose Garcia Rodriguez.
Jose Garcia Rodriguez.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a case number?
Yeah, let me see.
Starts with the SP.
I'll show you now. Let me see. Yes, SP 19280 161.
161.
Yeah, I got another one. I got a S.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Okay.
All right, give me a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Is he on here?
No. He's in warrant status.
Okay.
Sí.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Esteban Lopez. Mr. Esteban Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos ahora en el acta con el caso de la señora Esteban López. Señor Esteban López le da oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
The recommendation is to dismiss for valid documentation.
Recomiendo que el caso quede desestimado debido a que ella pudo proveer documentación válida.
Okay.
All right, case dismissed, ma'am, for valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, señor, así que su caso ha quedado desestimado debido a que usted nos pudo presentar documentación válida. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte. Se puede desconectar.
Ok, sería todo. Muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much. And is that it?
Ok,
That's it, ma'am.
gracias.
Eso es todo.
Thank you.
Bendiciones.
Not you, Garcia Rodriguez. You
No.
haven't, your case is, you have to stay.
Señor García Rodríguez, no le hablamos a usted. Usted se tiene que quedar. Es la señora
Oh.
López que se va.
Oh.
This is the city of Detroit versus Krishanta Felipe Romez Ramirez, case number SP 192-8614, counts 1, 2, and 3. Bless you. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamar el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Crisanta Felipe Ramírez Ramos, número de caso SP 1928-61-4, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sí. Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Ramos Ramirez, please state your name for the record.
Erika Harris, representando a la señora Ramírez Ramos. Usted, señora, por favor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Crisanta Felipa Ramos Ramírez.
Crisanta Felipa Ramos Ramírez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Ramos, I'm going to put you in the breakout. Ramirez, I'm sorry. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, señora Ramírez, perdón, señora Ramos. Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. La vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris. Ella va a tratar de conseguirle usted una buena oferta de resolución, pero tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de llevar este caso a un juicio. Acepte la invitación ahora donde dice join o unirse.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gomez Perez. Mr. Perez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
For the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to improper plea.
Is that what you want to do?
Check.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Paris?
Yeah, I was asking the auditor if it I have any chance, because because I work 6 days a week. I work Monday to Sunday, Monday to Saturday. If there's any chance, can I don't know if it got like they have to pay off at the ticket, so not go to the community service.
If you bring some insurance in, we can dismiss the case, but if you want to pay, you have to go to your alphabet. Well, I am your alphabet judge.
Yeah.
Do you want to bring some insurance in?
I mean, like I was telling the auditor, I was having insurance, but
I don't want to get
when
into that. Do you want to bring insurance in? Because it's going to cost you $240 here.
$240 for what, sir? I'm sorry.
To pay this ticket, if you're going to pay this ticket. But if you go get some insurance, we'll dismiss the case.
It's because the insurance right now they're asking me for right now paying almost $500 and almost 480 per month. So that's why I'm keep looking for a good insurance right now. They're really expensive.
Do you want me to give you some time to see if you can get to this 240? That's halfway there.
I mean, it's much better paying for me the ticket, to be honest, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Right. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
All right. So how long do I have to? How much time do I have to pay the ticket, or
Answer
where?
the questions. Answer the questions, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did he go over your other rights, sir?
Yeah. He told me.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, not at all.
How by taking this deal, you'll give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And what are you going to ask me? You need time to pay as well?
No. When do I have to go pay for it?
Well, you're supposed to pay it today, but how much time do you need to get it paid?
I can pay it on Saturday, because on Saturdays I get my payouts.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to July the 8th, 2026 at around 8:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Clark and West Verner Highway. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No.
You didn't get stopped by the police on that day, sir?
Yes, I was buying some pizza when the officer pulled me over.
Yes. And you were operating a motor vehicle?
Yeah.
Was that your 2015 Chrysler?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes. When the officer, I was.
Just that did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance? That's a yes or no.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Well, when I gave it the
You
insurance.
could not do so. Could you produce valid insurance, sir? Or not?
No.
Very good. That's all we need. I'll
Okay.
find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate. $240. You said you can pay it by Saturday.
Yes.
So pay it, make sure it's paid by the 31st on Monday. Come
Okay.
back in Monday morning. If you pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. That's DIVDAT. That'll go through instantly. Or if you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, it'll go through instantly. Pay it, come back Monday morning. If it's paid, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
All right. So go back on court Monday morning and pay it off before the 31st, right?
Yes, and then we'll dismiss the case.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Anaya. Case number SP131, strike that, SP1931895, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Anaya.
Antonio Anaya.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Anaya, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Ramirez. Ms. Ramirez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos ahora en el acta con el caso de la señora Ramírez. Señora Ramírez, le dimos a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué ha decidido hacer su cliente?
She's going to admit responsibility as charged to failing to secure passenger.
Su señoría, ella va a admitir ser responsable al cargo tal como fue acusada de que ella faltó de asegurar un pasajero.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
¿Y esa es la oferta de resolución que usted quiere aceptar, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
Y abogada, ¿puede usted estipular que podemos depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer los hechos?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipuló su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Y abogada, ¿puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar los otros dos cargos?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, de acuerdo, su señoría.
And with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as charged to the failure to secure passenger. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Muy bien, y con esas estipulaciones encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable del cargo, tal como fue acusada de haber faltado de asegurar un pasajero en el vehículo. En vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, le vamos a pedir que ella cumpla 6 horas de servicio comunitario con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, ma'am?
Señora, ¿y usted tiene el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. I'll give you until September 16th. The hours, once the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, entonces llame ese número de teléfono esta tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que puedan hacer los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Le voy a dar usted hasta el 16 de septiembre para que alcance a cumplir esas horas. Si las ha cumplido para el 16 de septiembre, el caso queda cerrado. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos un buen día y buena suerte.
Muchas gracias. Que Dios le bendiga.
Thank you very much and may God bless you.
And you as well. Thank you.
Gracias a usted también.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alfredo Cruz Jimenez. Case number SP193214111. Appearance for the record, please. And good morning to you.
Good morning.
¿Necesita intérprete, señor?
Sí.
Okay. Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Alfredo Cruz Jiménez. Número de caso SP1932-1411. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Alfredo Cruz Jiménez.
Alfredo Cruz Jiménez.
Sí.
Yes.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Cruz Jimenez.
Y habla Cherica Harris representando al señor Cruz Jiménez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Cruz Jimenez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para el señor Cruz Jiménez y darle una fianza de $0. El señor lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris. Ella va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución y tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución que le ofrece la fiscalía, usted tiene todo derecho de llevar el caso a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación donde dice join o unirse para que pueda pasar a la sala.
I think they're in there.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anaya. Mr. Anaya, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what did your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration. We'd seek dismissal, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Anaya, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Same to you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You as well, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Miss Jennifer Jimenez, good morning to you. Buenos días, necesitas
Buen día. Sí, por favor.
un momento.
Gracias.
Ramos Mateo. Siler. Ramos Mateo. Juan Carlos Gurin.
Yes, sir.
Do you need an interpreter? Good morning.
Tyler? Yes, I need an interpreter.
Ramos Mateo, necesitas interpreter? Buenos días.
Sí.
City of Detroit versus Christian McGowan. Case number SP 933-131. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. McGowan.
Christian McGowan.
Christian McGowan.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It's set for an arraignment. For the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. McGowan, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Cruz Jimenez. Mr. Cruz Jimenez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos en el acta con el caso del señor Cruz Jiménez. Señor Cruz Jiménez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué han decidido hacer?
Yeah, he was able to present valid documentation. The recommendation is to dismiss.
Su señoría, él me pudo mostrar a mi documentación válida. Mi recomendación es que el caso quede desestimado.
All right, Mr. Jimenez, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation and have a very good rest of your day to both of you.
Muy bien. Señor Cruz Jiménez, vamos a desestimar su caso por habernos proveído documentación válida. Que disfrute usted el resto de su día y adiós a ustedes dos.
Puede pasar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Have a great day, Your Honor,
You as well.
and everyone else too.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jaime Arriaga Angulo. Case number SP 1936074, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1936141. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Jaime Arriaga Angulo. Números de caso SP 19361471 y SP 1936074, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Jaime Arriaga Angulo.
Jaime Arriaga Angulo.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Arriago Angulo.
Y habla Cherica Harris representando al señor Arriaga Angulo.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Angulo, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute.
Este es el día y la hora. No, disculpe. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, señor Arriaga Angulo, y darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora a una salita privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta actualizada de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta que le proponen, usted siempre tiene el derecho de llevar el caso a juicio. Acepte la invitación ahora, donde dice join o unirse.
To pass the matter. I don't know, see if Maurice Littles has community service. Please. And Logan. Please. Let's go back on the record with Mr. McGowan. Mr. McGowan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
My client wishes to go to his alphabet judge, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. McGowan, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date in front of your alphabet judge, who will be Judge Wagner. And that would be on September the 9th, 2026 at 8:35. Judge Wagner's Zoom ID is 360-331-0000.
Also, we are looking for.
If you don't have any further questions, sir, if you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Malik Lester.
Yes.
Turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you. All right, you have a lot of cases in warrant status. You're not supposed to be here. Oh, you're not. Are you Malik Armand? Okay, you're not supposed to be here until tomorrow morning.
Yes.
I think we could, tomorrow morning is your actual court date.
All right. Let us put.
I think everyone else needs an interpreter, Mr. Phillips. So I can call it if you want to get him an updated offer since he's here. Mr. Phillips, Mr. Berry.
Well, it's certainly all right, Your Honor. He's not on the docket, but.
No, he's got a driving while license suspended, a no insurance proof civil infraction, and 11 to 15 over civil infraction. That's going to be for tomorrow. If you want to get him an updated offer, since we need an interpreter for the rest of the people, then I don't have an issue with that.
Okay, suspended license and 2 no insurance.
No, 1 no insurance proof and 1 11 to 15 over.
All right.
That file from tomorrow, Malik Lester. This is the city of Detroit versus Malik Armand Lester, case number SP 1925297, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 192530011. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lester.
Malik Lester.
All right, good morning to you, sir. We'll call today the date and time set for arraignment, even though it's set for tomorrow. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Let's go to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna see if he can get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Angulo. Mr. Angulo, it's my understanding you don't want to do community service, correct?
Pasamos ese caso y volvemos con el caso del señor Jaime Angulo. Señor Angulo, tengo entendido que usted no quiere continuar a hacer servicio comunitario. ¿Tengo eso correcto?
Es correcto, es que tengo que trabajar.
That is correct. It's just that I have to work.
Okay, very well. I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, which is a courtroom 336.
Muy bien, pues entonces yo lo voy a mandar a que esté ante el juez que le toca a usted según su apellido y va a ser en la sala 336.
I'm marking the file needs Spanish interpreter.
Voy a marcar aquí en su expediente que usted necesita tener un intérprete con usted ese día.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
That would be, the Zoom ID would be 360-336-0000.
Para poder entrar a la sesión ese día por Zoom, anote por favor que el número es 360-336-0000.
And your next court date is September the 11th, 2026 at 8:45 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Y la fecha para que usted comparezca es el 11 de septiembre del 2026 a las 8:45 de la mañana. Les repito, el 11 de septiembre a las 8:45 de la mañana. Si no tiene algo más que decir, le deseamos a usted buen día y muchísima suerte.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Igualmente, que tengan buen día.
And I wish everyone there the same. Have a good day.
Good well.
Usted también.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jennifer Elizabeth Jimenez and Anal Lusa. Case number SP 1935712, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Jennifer Jiménez Ana Luisa. Número de caso SP 1935712, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Buen día, mi nombre es Jennifer Elizabeth Jiménez Ana Luisa.
Good morning, my name is Jennifer Elizabeth Jiménez Ana Luisa.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Oh, go ahead.
Buenos días, usted, señora.
CR535 Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Y habla Cherica Harris, representándola a usted, la acusada.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Good morning to you, ma'am. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mrs. Jimenez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, darle una fianza de $0. La vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien va a tratar de conseguirle una oferta actualizada de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene un derecho absoluto de llevar el caso a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester. Mr. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Or is that what you want, Mr. Lester?
Yes, sir.
Come back on September the 15th. September the 15th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. On the telephone at 313-728-5111. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Norma Castillo. Good morning.
Good morning. Norma Castillo.
Correct.
All right. Good morning. This is the city of Detroit. Mr. Berry versus Norma Castillo, case number SP 1911538, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Castillo.
Norma Maria Castillo.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time and it's set for a pre-trial. Ms. Castillo, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Well, thank you. Okay.
She's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Castillo. Ms. Castillo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Really, Ms. Castillo is going to have to go to her alphabet judge.
Well, that'll work.
Oh, my goodness. Well, thank you for the time that I spent with you, Judge.
Pardon me?
Thank you very much for the time that I have spent with you. I appreciate you.
Okay, I'm sorry you couldn't get it together. I'm going to send you to Judge Kennedy. That gives you some more time, though.
Thank you. And you have a great, great week.
All right, let me give you the date. It'll be in front of
Okay.
Judge on September the 14th, 2026 at 8:35. Judge Kennedy's Zoom ID is going to be 360-435-0000. And I'll just mark it once trial, and you can let her know over there what you want to do, okay?
Okay, let me get that number again. For when I call.
360-435-0000.
Okay, say it one more time. I'm sorry, Judge. What?
360-435-0000.
Okay, I have it. Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Best of luck
You
to
too,
Ms.
sir.
Castillo.
Thank you, sir. Good luck. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I think everyone else needs an interpreter, Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Does anybody not need an interpreter?
Yes, I need it.
You don't need an interpreter, Mr. Perez?
Yes, I need it.
Yeah, okay. Everybody needs an interpreter.
I think I do in English. This is Mr. Grion.
You don't need one?
No.
All right. City of Detroit versus Juan Carlos Giron, case number SP192-97501. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Grullon.
Juan Carlos Grullon.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Grion, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Okay, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Jimenez. Ms. Jimenez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take the improper plate.
Volvamos ahora con el caso de la señora Jiménez. Señora Jiménez, le dimos la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Abogada, tengo entendido que su cliente se va a declarar culpable a tener las placas incorrectas.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que nos va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano, señora.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en su caso pudieran ser 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y la señora Harris revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta. ¿No es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, ninguna.
No, none.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No, nadie.
No, no one.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 15th, 2026, around 9:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Waterman and West Verner Highway. Did you have a contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Entonces, permíteme recordarle la fecha del 15 de julio del 2026, aproximadamente a las 9:47 en la noche, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Waterman y West Verner. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con alguien del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y en ese momento usted iba manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce, was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
Y el policía le pidió a usted, es decir, algo iba incorrecto con las placas.
Sí. Como compré apenas ese día el auto, entonces las placas tenía el ticket vencido.
Yes, I had just purchased the car that day, and the plates that were on the car had a sticker showing that they had expired.
All right, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the charge to the improper plate. For stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
Muy bien, así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable tal como ha sido acusada de llevar las placas incorrectas. ¿Y puede usted estipular que puedo desestimar los otros dos cargos? Abogada.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
All right, 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, ma'am?
Muy bien, entonces le pido a usted, señora, que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Cuando las haya completado, el caso queda desestimado. Dígame, ¿ya tiene usted el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
¿Es el que me dio la muchacha?
Is it the one that the young lady gave to me?
Yes.
Sí.
Sí, entonces sí lo tengo.
Oh, then yes, I do have it.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you till September 15th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, así que entonces llame esta misma tarde a ese número de teléfono y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que hagan los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Le voy a dar a usted hasta el 15 de septiembre para que alcance a cumplir sus horas de servicio comunitario. Si las ha completado para esa fecha, su caso queda desestimado. Si no tiene algo que agregar, que queremos desear a usted un buen día y buena suerte.
Muy amable, muchas gracias. Que tenga buen día y que Dios le bendiga.
You've been very kind. Thank you very much. Have a good day and may God bless you.
As well, thank you.
Y a usted también, gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you.
¿Ya me puedo salir?
Can I leave now?
You may.
Sí, se puede desconectar.
Que tenga buen día. Gracias.
Have a good day and thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Hilaire Ramos Mateo, case number SP 193-6669, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamar el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Seiler Ramos Mateo, número de caso SP 1936-669, cargo 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Ramos, please state your name for the record.
Soy Cherica Harris, representando al señor Ramos. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Taylor July Ramos Mateo.
Taylor Yulai Ramos Mateo.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Good morning to you, sir. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señor. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora a una salita privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris. Ella va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta que le propone la fiscalía, usted tiene todo el derecho de llevar el caso a un juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la salita.
Pass the matter. Good morning. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gurin. Mr. Gurin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we seek dismissal.
My case dismissed, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Jose Armando Contreras Enrique.
Yo,
Buenos dias. Do you need an
Buenos
interpreter,
días.
sir?
Excuse me?
Do you need an interpreter?
Sí.
All right, un momento.
Okay. Thank you.
Pedro Riviera Colon.
Hello.
Good morning to you, sir. Do you need an interpreter?
Yeah.
All right, take your hat off, please.
Yeah, take it out.
Quita la gorra.
Ay, perdón.
Sí.
Puto.
Jose Garcia Rodriguez, necesitas interpreter?
Sí.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ramos. Mr. Ramos Mateo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos con el caso del señor Ramos Mateo. Señor Ramos Mateo, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Abogada, ¿qué han decidido hacer?
There's a recommendation to dismiss for valid documentation.
Tengo una recomendación para que el caso quede desestimado debido a que él pudo proveer documentos válidos.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss the case, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, señor, así que su caso queda desestimado, señor. Que tenga usted buen día y mucha suerte.
Mil gracias.
Thank you so very much.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Armando Contreras Enriquez, case number SP 192-98551. Good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra José Contreras Enrique, José Armando Contreras Enrique, número de caso CP 1929-85-51. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
¿Sí? Mi nombre es José Armando Contreras Enríquez.
My name is Jose Armando Contreras Enriquez.
¿Sí?
Yes.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
All right, good morning to you. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Y para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, abogado, ¿qué nos dice?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio, su señoría.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Contreras, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, señor, darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación donde dice join o unirse. Join o unirse. Okay.
We'll pass the matter.
Y pasamos el caso por ahora.
That doesn't change courtroom standard.
That Riviera is one of them is spelled, they missed the R on the first one. They all printed out on the same thing because I printed it from the driver's license.
Okay, but they're, okay, let me.
See it on the docket. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Enriquez. Mr. Enriquez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos ahora en el acto con el caso del señor Enríquez. El señor Enríquez le da oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué han decidido hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance documents. We
Su
seek
sen-
dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar a mí un documento que es de seguro de vehículo válido. Por eso pedimos que el caso quede desestimado.
Case dismissed, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Caso desestimado, señor. Le deseo lo mejor de la suerte y que tenga buen día.
This is the city of Detroit versus Avendino, Orozco, Perez, Mejia, case number SP 0827, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm looking for him, Your Honor. I'm not sure I'm seeing him. It's
Second page, in the middle.
Oh.
That's Mejia.
Oh, Paris Mejia, got it. Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama ahora el
Welcome.
caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Avendaño Pérez Mejía. Números de caso SP 1930-827, cargo 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Cherica
Avendaño Orozco.
Harris.
Oh,
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Perkins. Please state your name for the record.
Cherica Harris representando al señor Pérez. Usted, señor Pérez, díganos su nombre, por favor.
hola, buenos días. Avendaño Orozco Pérez Mejía.
Hello, good morning. My name is Avendaño Orozco Pérez Mejía.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Good morning to you. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Perez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con la señora Harris, quien le va a conseguir usted una oferta de resolución. Recuérdese que si a usted no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho a llevar el caso a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice en la pantalla join o unirse. Join o unirse, por favor.
You can let Mr. Enriquez know he's free to leave.
Y señor Enríquez Contreras, ya usted se puede desconectar, señor.
Ok. ¿Paso a pagar mi ticket ahí?
Okay, and do I go to pay my ticket right there at the court?
No, it's dismissed, sir.
No, su caso quedó desestimado. Le quitaron los cargos, señor.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Adiós.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Mr. Garcia Rodriguez, he has not on the docket. He's in warrant status for an open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver and a no insurance misdemeanor.
That first charge, Your Honor, if I may.
Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, can you look at this one we just did, Jose Armando Contreras?
Yes.
Right below, the name is spelled wrong, but I believe it's count two. See that?
Mm-hmm. That's why he waited.
Yeah. But he had valid docs on that. He got insurance, so I wonder if he got a
Let's
license.
just dismiss it,
Okay.
I guess. I mean, I don't know what else.
I mean,
to do.
I can check.
You can check. I doubt if he may have an international license. You can check the license,
Okay.
but I don't think it's gonna be the same. I don't know. Yeah, I'll ask Ms. Horn what she wants to do. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Perez. Mr. Perez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvemos en el acta ahora con el caso del señor Pérez. Señor Pérez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
He does not want to do community service.
Él no quiere hacer servicio comunitario.
All right, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, who's Judge Ramsey Heath.
Muy bien, así que entonces yo lo voy a mandar con el juez que le va a tocar ahora, quien es la juez Ramsey Heath.
Okay.
Okay.
And Judge Ramsey Heath's Zoom ID is 360-437-0000.
Y apunte por favor el número de Zoom para que pueda entrar con la sala de la juez Ramsey Heath. El número es 360-437-0000.
A ver, ¿me puede repetir una vez más, por favor?
Could you say that number again, please?
360-437-0000.
Sí, 360-437. 0000. Les repito, 360-437-0000.
Ok, es 360-437-000, ¿verdad?
Yes, so it's 360-437-000, right?
Yes.
0000.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. This is Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Riviera, Pedro Miguel Colon, case number SP1935482, counts 1 and 2 and 3, and SP1935491. Appearance for the record, please.
Enseñame entonces el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Pedro Miguel Colón Rivera, número de caso SP 1935482, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y SP 1935491. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Colon.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., representando al acusado. Díganos su nombre completo, señor Colón.
Pedro Miguel Colón Rivera.
Pedro Miguel Colón Rivera.
All right, good morning to you. Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a guardar silencio y renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente.
Good morning to you, sir. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Colon, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, señor Colón, darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, que le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta que le proponen, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Así
Ok.
que ahora donde dice join o unirse.
Unirse.
Ajá, unirse, join.
Miss,
Your
Miller,
yes.
yeah,
I
go.
wanted to, I don't think we gave Mr. Avendaño, the date to return.
Oh, September the 9th, September the 9th, 8:30.
Okay, y señor
Sí.
Avendano, la fecha que usted va a regresar es el 9 de septiembre. At what time, Your Honor? 8:30?
At 8:30.
A las 8:30, señor, con el número que le dimos, ¿ok?
Ok, muchísimas gracias. Feliz día.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a pleasant day.
Are you as well?
Y usted también.
Ok.
Did you do, Mr. Contreras, Miss Harris, Enrique?
I did not. I believe that was Mr. Berry.
All right. Can you speak to Miss Horn about that, though? He seems to have had, they dismissed because he had valid insurance. He seems the one below it, it seems like it's him too, count two, but they completely spelled his name wrong.
Okay, I will speak with her.
She wants to do with that driver's license never acquired, please. Wow. Ms. Harris?
Yeah, I think she's away from her desk. And when she did come back, she didn't have her headphones on and she stepped away. I don't have an answer with regards to that.
Okay. You have to go in a minute, huh?
I do.
All right, I'll have Mr. Barry handle it.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
Very well. Mrs. Horn,
Yes, Your Honor.
we have an issue on the Jose. I tried to get Ms. Harris to deal with it, but Mr. Berry did Jose Contreras Enrique. And right below that, I missed the count two. It's spelled kind of completely different. It's Jose Armando and it's not spelled right either. There was a driver's license never acquired. So I'm gonna have Mr. Berry, I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I'll have him, well, did he have a license?
Oh, I see, Your Honor. So 1 and 2, yeah, two different, like Enrique and then Jose, right?
Same person, we believe.
Because the name is spelled so funny and there's no actual driver's license number to run the name, nothing was coming up.
Right.
Because you don't have the clear of what it is. So I couldn't get anything to see.
And Madam Clerk, is which name is correct? Have you determined that?
No, I don't know because on the ticket, it says Jose Armando Enriquez Contreras, but even the spelling on it's TRTAS, and I just don't think that.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Colon. Mr. Colon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Muy bien, así que volvamos ahora con el caso del señor Colón Rivera. Señor Colón,
Okay.
le dimos la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, díganos qué han decidido hacer.
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 for the failure to stop matter and the remaining matter to be dismissed. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Sí, su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le propuso la fiscalía. Es decir, él quiere declararse culpable al cargo de que iba de 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite de velocidad en una área de acceso limitado. Ese cargo reemplaza el cargo original de que él había faltado de parar donde había un alto. Y el resto de los cargos quedan desestimados.
You want to take the deal, sir?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y abogado, ¿puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento para esta declaración?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipuló su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
¿Y puede usted
Yes, Your
estipular
Honor.
que ahí tengo razón para desestimar los otros cargos? Sí, su señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
And with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5. Was that a limited access or no?
It is, Your Honor.
Muy bien, así que con esas estipulaciones, yo encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable al cargo modificado de que iban unos 5 millas sobre el límite en una área de acceso limitado, abogado. Sí, su señoría, de acceso limitado.
Okay, limited access 1 to 5 in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Ok, muy bien. Entonces, reconociendo eso, 6 horas de servicio comunitario es lo que le pido que usted haga en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas. Y usted va a hacer sus horas de servicio comunitario con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Centro del Suroeste de Detroit.
Okay.
Okay.
Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up, and if the hours are complete, we'll close your matter out. If there's nothing further, I'll give you until September the 15th to complete the hours. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Muy bien, señor. Así que llame ese número de teléfono que nosotros le dimos esta tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips. Y Phillips, para hacer los arreglos de dónde y cuándo usted va a hacer el trabajo. Le vamos a dar a usted hasta el 15 de septiembre para que alcance a completar sus 6 horas. Si no tiene, y si las ha completado para el 15 de septiembre, su caso queda cerrado. Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Buen día y buena suerte.
Yes, and you have a good day and good luck to you also.
Thank you.
Gracias.
¿Ya me puedo ir?
Can I leave now?
You may.
Se puede ir.
Ok, gracias. Que tengan buen día.
Okay, thank you. I wish everyone a pleasant day.
All right, this is the city of Mr. Barry. We have to deal with Enrique. So speak to Miss. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Garcia Rodriguez. Case number SP 1928016. Counts 1 and counts 2. He is not on the docket.
Oh, and does he need an interpreter, Your Honor?
I'm sorry, Ms. Villarreal.
He does.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll read it off.
Yes.
I'll read it off again.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Jose Garcia Rodriguez, case number SP 1928016, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra José García Rodríguez, número de caso SP 1928016, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State
Yes.
your full name, Mr. Garcia.
Habla Elwood Berry representando al acusado. Usted, señor García, diga su nombre completo, por favor.
José García Rodríguez.
José García Rodríguez.
All right, we'll call today the date and time set for a warrant. These tickets are in warrant status for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Muy bien, vamos a decir que este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para este caso, que tiene ya una orden de arresto. Estos casos están en estatus de orden de arresto. Abogado, ¿qué nos dice?
We waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio, su señoría.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond.
Muy bien, vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0.
Mr. Rodriguez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Barry. Mr. Barry, you have the allegations. See if you can get Mr. Rodriguez an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Rodriguez, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, entonces, señor García Rodríguez, lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Y, señor Berry, usted ya tiene las alegaciones y él va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, señor Rodríguez, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación para pasar a una sala privada.
He's in there.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Horn, can you go to breakout room 4 and wait on Mr. Barry and bring that up to him about, I didn't bring that up to him about the one case that Mr. Contreras, the other case that Mr. Contreras had, please.
Yes, yes, Your Honor. The people will move for dismissal. There seems to be too much discrepancy here.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maybe that's why he was waiting so long.
I'm kind of curious of whether he said anything to the attorney, or he just was waiting for somebody else, like,
Yeah, I don't know. I know he seemed to be waiting for a while after we said he can go. He stayed on for, and then Mr. Villarreal had to let him. Good morning.
they had you all over the place.
They said he's stable though.
Who?
My ex-wife, oldest son, was found shot in the chest this morning.
What?
He was at Oakwood Hospital, so she been there. She called me about 4 a.m.
What happened to him?
She don't have any details. She don't know. And he was a John Doe actually, and surgeon recognized him. I think she had him before. We called her. So
Thank God he's still alive.
she said he's stable though.
How old is he?
32, I think. So I'm just keep waiting for updates, like.
Of what's, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, what's going on?
There was a vehicle found, somebody was shot in a vehicle in Wyoming and Finkel, it said. And that person, I think, passed away.
Wow.
They didn't know anything about it at first, or what.
Wyoming and Finkel.
Wow.
He's got some.
All right, are we ready on Garcia?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back. Oh, he's still in the room. I'll pull him out.
Thank you.
What is he gonna do?
Per the prosecutor, the matter is to be dismissed, Your Honor.
That's for Garcia Rodriguez. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia Rodriguez. Mr. Garcia Rodriguez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos con el caso del señor García Rodríguez. Señor García Rodríguez, le dimos la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, díganos, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, the matters are to be dismissed.
Su señoría, según lo que me dijo la fiscal, los casos quedan todos desestimados.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez Garcia, if there's nothing further, your cases are dismissed. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, entonces, señor García Rodríguez, le quitaron todos los cargos, los casos quedaron desestimados. Que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Igualmente, igualmente. Dios lo bendiga a todos.
Same to you, same to you. May God bless all of you there.
And you as well.
Y a usted también.